Most drivers waste thousands on big-name tires that barely hit 40,000 miles, while cheaper alternatives quietly push past 70,000 miles with better performance. Today I'm exposing 13 underrated tire brands that consistently outlast Michelin and Goodyear in longevity tests, backed by real treadwear data and Consumer Reports rankings. These aren't budget gambles. They're OEM-trusted brands that BMW, Porsche, and Volkswagen use as factory equipment. If you're buying tires soon, this could save you $800 while getting superior performance. The brand in our #1 spot delivers wet weather safety that rivals tires costing twice as much, and veteran mechanics are shocked when they see the test results. Let's dive in. Brand number 13. Kumho. Here's what most people don't know about Kumho. This South Korean manufacturer has been building tires since 1960, and their modern all-season models like the Exta routinely exceed 70,000 miles, despite costing 40–50% less than premium brands. Tire Rack's long-term testing confirms steady treadwear with warranty claim rates under 0.2%, which is exceptionally low. The real secret is their Formula 3 and TCR Motorsports pedigree. Those racing compounds trickle down to passenger tires, giving you better grip and heat resistance that prevents premature wear. Major automakers, including BMW, Mercedes, and Volkswagen trust Kumho for original equipment, which tells you everything about reliability. You're getting 70,000+ mile lifespan at half the cost of premium competitors, potentially saving $400 $600 per tire set. Brand number 12. Falken. Falken had serious recall issues years ago with tread separations. But here's the shocking turnaround. Modern Falken tires now outlast many premium brands by significant margins. Their motorsports background includes Formula Drift championships and King of the Hammers victories, proving their compounds handle extreme stress. The Wild Peak line delivers off-road toughness, with 80,000-mile tread warranties, while the Azini series provides sports sedan performance with exceptional wear rates. J.D. Power ranked Falken #1 for OE truck satisfaction in 2024, and their 4D Nano design technology reduces rolling resistance, extending tire life while improving fuel economy. Long-term owner reports consistently show these tires exceeding warranty mileage expectations. At 30–40% below premium pricing, you're saving $300 $500 per set while getting award-winning durability. Brand number 11. General Tire. General Tire started in 1915 when Akron, Ohio had hundreds of tire makers. Almost all died out, but General survived over a century because their engineering focuses on durability. Now owned by Continental, they've elevated quality even further. Their grabber line uses Duragen technology fighting cuts and chips, with traction notch edges gripping mud and gravel without rapid wear. The Ultimax RT43 actually outperformed Michelin and Continental models in specific Consumer Reports categories, wearing evenly while staying quiet across 60,000+ miles. The shocking part is these tires handle towing, off-road abuse, and highway driving at mid-range prices. Many owners report exceeding 65,000 miles with minimal tread loss. You're getting Continental-backed engineering at $200 $400 less per tire set than comparable premium options. Brand number 10. Toyo. Toyo faced a 2013 price-fixing scandal unrelated to tire quality, but their products have always delivered exceptional longevity. Founded in 1945, they now manufacture in Japan, US, China, and Malaysia with laser focus on real-world durability. The Open Country line is legendary among truck owners. These tires survive gravel, dirt, towing, and daily highway miles with minimal tread loss. Toyo tests designs in brutal Baja 1000 and Formula Drift events, building compounds that maintain grip through hot summers and cold winters. Their 2024 prototype uses 91% sustainable materials, while their Nano Energy line reduces rolling resistance, extending life and boosting fuel savings. Many off-road enthusiasts report 60,000+ hard miles with strong remaining tread. At $2,535% below premium pricing, you're saving $250 $450 per set. Brand number 9. Cooper. Cooper stayed independent from 1914 until recently, surviving while bigger names merged or disappeared. That happens when your tires consistently deliver value. Their discoverer, AT3 XLT, earns extremely high customer ratings, with owners reporting long tread life even during towing or off-road use. Cooper's adaptive traction technology helps treads bite wet and dry roads, while snow groove edges provide winter grip, all contributing to even wear patterns that extend lifespan. The shocking value is how these mid-price tires routinely outlast premium competitors. Tread blocks stay firm as they age, maintaining stability and quiet operation past 65,000 miles. Cooper offers wide-range coverage for sedans, SUVs, and trucks, all scoring well for comfort and safety. You're getting more miles per dollar than most premium brands, saving $300 $500 per tire set. Brand number 8, Yokohama. Yokohama is famous in racing, but the shocking part is how their everyday tires maintain grip deep into their lifespan, uncommon in this price range. Since 1917, they've built reputation on durability, with compounds staying stable in heat to resist fast wear. Decades of endurance racing where tires endure hours of punishment translates to passenger tire longevity. The Advan line provides performance car handling with extended tread life, while Avid models deliver smooth, long-lasting performance for sedans and crossovers. Geolandar tires excel on SUVs and trucks with slow, even wear and strong wet grip at high mileage. Yokohama's orange oil compounds keep rubber flexible without eating through tread, improving fuel efficiency and reducing noise. Many owners report 60,000 to 70,000 miles with consistent performance throughout. At 35% below premium pricing, you're saving $250 $400 per set. Brand number 7, Hankook. Hankook used to be viewed as mid-range, but now competes directly with global premium brands. The surprising reality is, Hankook tires frequently outlast expensive models, with consumer reports and long-term owner data showing the same pattern repeatedly. Steady wear, strong grip, competitive pricing. Since 1941, they've invested heavily in engineering. Their control technology lowers rolling resistance while improving tread strength, keeping tires firm and even across full lifespan. The Ventus line delivers performance grip without rapid tread burn. Kinergy all-season models provide commuter longevity with strong wet braking. And Dynapro series handles truck abuse while delivering more miles per dollar. Fleet drivers choose Hankook because these tires survive daily punishment and still exceed mileage expectations. You're saving $300 $500 per set versus premium brands while getting equivalent or better longevity. Brand number 6, Sumitomo. Sumitomo has 400-plus year company roots, with modern tire engineering focused on stability, strength, and long tread life. Drivers describe these tires as surprisingly solid for the price, using rigid tread blocks and advanced compounds that wear slowly and evenly. The shocking value is getting more miles than expected while maintaining highway speed stability even as tread ages. Wet performance stands out. Groove and siping patterns keep water moving out, maintaining consistent rain grip. The HTR Enhance line provides sporty sedan stability, while Encounter series gives SUVs and trucks dependable traction with extended lifespan. Budget-conscious drivers appreciate Sumitomo managing low prices without sacrificing durability or safety ratings. Many owners report 55,000 to 65,000 miles with steady performance throughout. At 30–40% below premium pricing, you're saving $250 $450 per tire set. Brand number 5, Firestone. Founded in 1900 and famous for early Ford vehicles, Firestone is now Bridgestone-owned but still focuses on long-lasting, hard-working everyday tires. Their strong rubber compounds and steady road feel deliver reliable dry and wet grip with slow, even wear, especially on sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. The Destination series for SUVs and trucks offers solid traction on dirt, gravel, and wet roads without fast tread loss, while Firehawk provides sporty cars better cornering and braking at mid-range prices. Firestone's biggest appeal is value, more affordable than premium brands, while providing dependable performance and extended tread life. Backed by over a century of engineering refinement, many drivers report 60,000-plus miles with consistent handling. You're getting proven American engineering heritage at $200 400 less per set than comparable premium tires. Brand number 4. Laofen. This budget-friendly brand is Hankook-owned, using their modern manufacturing and technology to deliver solid performance at value prices. Laofen works well for everyday driving with good dry and wet grip, and drivers appreciate smooth, quiet highway feel. Simple, practical tread designs provide stability, comfort, and respectable tread life. The G-Fit line targets daily commuters wanting quiet rides and fuel efficiency, while Z-Fit EQ serves performance-oriented drivers. X-Fit series handles SUVs and crossovers with steady multi-terrain traction, and I-Fit winter options tackle snowy conditions. Some models underperform in heavy snow. Wet traction can drop as tread wears, and rough roads generate more noise than higher-end brands. Still, for the price, Laofen delivers reliable, well-made tires backed by major manufacturer quality control, making them smart choices for budget-conscious drivers. You're saving $300 500 per set. Brand number 3. Nexen. Nexen delivers quality, comfort, and durability far below premium pricing. Since 1942, the name meaning next century reflects their innovation focus and long-term reliability commitment. Drivers praise quiet rides, steady, dry, and wet grip, and extended tread life. Nexen invests heavily in R&D, using AI for tread pattern design and operating modern factories across South Korea, China, and Europe. The biggest quality indicator is OEM partnerships. Volkswagen, Kia, Hyundai, Renault, Skoda, Fiat, Mitsubishi, BMW, Porsche, and Ram all choose Nexen for factory-installed tires, meeting strict safety, comfort, and performance standards. Nexen costs 20–40% less than premium brands while delivering impressive reliability and technology. Some models underperform in extreme winter and off-road capability is limited without purpose-built designs, but for most driving, Nexen provides excellent value. You're saving $250 500 per set. Brand number 2. GT Radial. GT Radial is Giddy Tire's flagship brand, a major global manufacturer based in Singapore since 1951. Selling in 130-plus countries with worldwide factories and research centers. OEM partnerships prove quality. Citroën, Peugeot, and Dacia use GT Radial as original equipment. Volkswagen fits them on Tiguan and Atlas models. And they're the official race tire for 2025 Subaru BRZ Super Series. This shows GT Radial handles high-performance demands beyond daily driving. Drivers like the balance of value and performance. Many models offer strong, dry, and wet grip, comfortable rides, and solid tread life. GT Radial focuses on fuel efficiency through eco-friendly compounds, lowering rolling resistance, and they've developed EV-ready tires, reducing road noise while handling instant torque and improving battery range. The Champiro line serves everyday cars, AT and MT. Adventure models give SUVs and trucks strong on off-road traction, plus dependable commercial and winter tire options. You're saving $300 500 per set. Brand number 1. Uniroyal. The absolute best underrated tire brand is Uniroyal, hands down. Since 1892, they've stayed mid-priced while delivering seriously strong performance, especially wet weather safety rivaling much more expensive tires. Uniroyal built its reputation as the rain tire and still lives up to it. Their Rain Sport and Rain Expert lines use shark skin technology inspired by how shark skin reduces water turbulence, resulting in faster water evacuation and dramatically lower aquaplaning risk on soaked roads. This proven technology on newer models also delivers higher mileage and lower noise. Beyond rain, Uniroyal makes dependable all-season tires, handling dry roads, wet roads, and light snow with confidence. All-Season Expert 2 and All-Season Max provide long tread life, stable braking, and quiet rides without forcing premium payments for quality. Backed by Michelin in North America and Continental in Europe, standards stay high while prices remain fair. You get durability, real bad weather safety, and exceptional value in one package. This mix is rare. While many brands chase flashy marketing, Uniroyal quietly delivers the best balance of safety, longevity, and cost. You're saving $400 600 per tire set versus premium brands. These 13 brands prove you don't need to spend premium money for premium performance. From Kumho's 70,000-mile durability to Uniroyal's unmatched wet weather safety, you're looking at potential savings of $300 600 per tire set, while getting equal or better longevity than expensive competitors. The key is choosing brands with OEM partnerships, proven test data, and real owner feedback, not just marketing hype. Drop a comment telling me which brand surprised you most, and if this saved you money on your next tire purchase, share it with someone who's about to buy tires. Subscribe because we're exposing more industry secrets that save you serious cash.